Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel for another video this week. If you've never been here before, my name is Carrie. I live in New York City and I make videos about style, home decor, and life in New York. And also, if you don't know, as of fall of 2019, I take interior design classes at Parsons and I'm studying to become certified in that right now. I've been taking you guys on the process a little bit of how my life has shifted. Basically, I've been shadowing and working with an interior designer whose name is Shari, and she owns a firm called Dadapt that is based in Brooklyn. She has worked on a variety of different projects and also teaches classes similar to what I take at Parsons, but at Pratt. So with all that being said, that's how we are getting to the topic of today's video, which is touring Airbnbs in Jersey City. I know the title says New York because they're intended for people who are coming to stay in New York. This is a project that Shari had been working on for a bit and actually invited me to come visit the space while it was in kind of the construction phase. There are 4 total apartments, so some of them were more finished than others. Now that those are finished and now that people are officially able to stay in them, she invited me back to come tour the spaces with her. All right, let's head to Jersey City and I will introduce you to obviously the space as well as Shari, and we will tour the spaces. Let's go. Okay, hey guys, we just got to the property and I have some special guests. Hi! Hey! Okay, so who are these people? Basically how this all happened and how me and Shari met is through Tiffany, who found me on YouTube and reached out to me. We met and I think had coffee, and then
this is like a very cute serendipitous moment.
Yeah.
Carrie and I had. She was talking about design.
And then, yeah, you knew that, and then you emailed me, and you were like, oh, I know a designer who also happened to be wanting to learn about YouTube.
Yes.
So we got on a phone call, and then we met in person.
Yeah, we had coffee.
Yes, we had coffee, and then I came to see this space early December?
Maybe, yeah. It was early December.
And then now we're here and we're back. And we're all here in the same room, which is crazy. All right, now we're gonna show you the spaces. Hey guys, here we are in the top floor apartment. There are guests coming in here, I think, later today. So we gotta shoot this one and the light's really good in here right now, and then get on out of here. And I'll throw some little montage in here so you can see it, and then we will just move on down through the building. Hi again. Okay, now we are in the second apartment, which is on the 2nd floor, but it's technically the 3rd apartment. Anyways, this one is definitely a different theme. It's a little more masculine. I think it's like cinema inspired, and it's a little darker, and there are just some different color accents in here. So you guys will get to see a new kind of space and look. Right, let's do it. Okay, now we are on the basically ground floor. There's also a garden apartment, so we're up like a half flight of stairs here. This one is a little bit more feminine and Parisian themed, so now I'm gonna show you that one. Let's go do it. Okay, final apartment of the property. So we're in the basement or the garden apartment right now, and the light is actually pretty good right now, but you'll see it's definitely a little bit different than all of the other apartments and kind of designed to reflect that too. Less people can stay in this one. I think it's 3 total. Other than that, it's super cute. So let's go see it. That's it. What'd you guys think? Which apartment was your favorite also? I think Shari did such an amazing job with these. It was really cool to see them in the in-process phase and then all finished. And again, I'm so thankful to Shari and Tiffany as well. And I really appreciate having an opportunity and connection like this, especially while I am trying to learn myself in this industry. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Feel free to hit Shari up directly. I'm sure she would love to chat with you. And I will see you guys on the next video next week. It's gonna actually be another home decor one. All right, bye.